Akiaria hĩndĩ ya gũkũngũĩra mĩaka 100 kuma rĩrĩa cukuru wa airĩtu wa Limuru wanjĩrĩirie, President William Ruto augĩte harĩ mendekithia ma mahũthĩro ma mbeca cia mwaka wa 2023 2024 nĩguo kuongererwo kĩgĩna makĩria nĩguo gũkinyanĩria mũtaratara wa gĩthomo gĩa kothi cia moko na university.
Tunaongeza budget ya our TVET institutions from 5.2 billion every year to 10 billion beginning this year. Tunaongeza pesa ambayo itaenda katika universities from about 44 billion to 82 billion beginning this year. This is a challenge we cannot continue to postpone.
Minister wa gĩthomo Ezekiel Machogu augĩte ministry ya gĩthomo nĩ gũthinga mĩanya na gũkinyanĩria mĩbango ya gĩthomo gĩa kothi cia moko na university nĩguo hatikanagĩe na mathenya arutwo magĩcenjia ngathĩ cia irathi.
Your Excellency, they are going to be the first beneficiary of the system that you launched the other day of new university funding model, which is going to ensure that those particularly from poor families, from poor backgrounds, will be able to get access to our education in our education institutions.
Hĩndĩ ĩyo thirikari nĩ ĩranĩire kwandĩka arutani erũ wĩra nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra mũigana wa arutani nĩ ũratwarana na mũigana wa arutwo ta ũrĩa kwendekithĩtio,
so that we can reduce the gap between the teachers that are supposed to be here and the teachers that are here. Tutaendelea kufanya hivyo katika mashule yetu yote.
Hĩndĩ ya ũkũngũĩri wa mĩaka 100 ya cukuru wa airĩtu wa Limuru, President nĩ eranĩire kũhũra thukuru ũyũ njeki na mwako mwerũ wa wabici ũndũ ũmwe na kuongererwo irathi ingĩ 7 nĩguo kũnyihia mũhatĩkano wa arutwo.
Give them hope because each one of them here has a dream. I know, Your Excellency, in these people here, I can see doctors.
You'll be women of substance. You'll come and join this country and join us in national development, in serious professions, and you are people who are equal to the task.
We are ready and we shall pay that incremental tax to make sure that those at the bottom of the pyramid are able to get opportunities for employment and we create wealth for our country.
Hii makelele kwa siasa ndio music ya kuendesha kazi mbele. Usikuwe na wasiwasi. Unajua pale kanisani kuanga na pambio ya kuimba. It is not an interruption of the sermon. It is part of the sermon ya kuendesha maneno hiyo. So hawa mnasikia wanapiga makelele is part of the choir ya kupeleka mambo mbele. So don't worry.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma Limuru kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, njĩtagwo Charles Gĩkunga wa Kariũki.